How to change home page in WordPress. So first is to head over to Pages and select Add New Page. So you may either select a predefined layout, so you may select from any of these options, or you can start with a blank page. So for this, I'll be starting with a blank page. So I'll click this blank page option. Now add a title to this page. So once done, click this Publish button. Click Publish again. Now go back and then head over to Settings and select Reading. Under your homepage displays, click the drop-down arrow button and select the page that you have just created, which is in this instance is the homepage. And then click Save Settings. So you will know that you have successfully changed your homepage by going back to Pages and select All Pages. And on that page, you will find this homepage. And so that is how you change homepage in WordPress. Thank you and have a great day.